I can hear music from a house nearby me as I'm walking by. I could hear, I'm pretty sure it's a song by Justin Bieber, not gonna lie. I could hear a bird calling once in a while. I could hear a car going past by me. Doppler effect, as it passed by me, it got lower in volume. I could hear my footsteps. I could continuously hear the birds calling in the background. In my back, I think. Yeah, in my back. And I could hear the sound of a car coming near me. And now it's really near me. I could hear it coming closer.